Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Funke. If you're watching for the first time, thank you for clicking. Returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for your support always. Today we're going to make something very bold, something spicy and very saucy. Chicken curry sauce. I'm talking about rich, aromatic and unapologetically flavorful. Are you ready? Let's sauce it up. First, I'm going to prep my veggies starting with the carrots. Just peel off the skin, rinse with water and cut to your desired shape. Then get your onions, clean that as well and cut your desired shape. And then you're going to get your bell peppers and chop them as well. I'm using red bell peppers, yellow bell pepper and green bell peppers. I'm also going to mince my garlic. You can use garlic paste if you want and just save yourself this stress. Next, we're going to get your chicken breast. So for this recipe, you can either use boneless or boned chicken. Any type of chicken part works just fine too. And size doesn't really matter. If you're using chicken breast, just make sure you clean them thoroughly, dice them and make sure that they are towel dried before sneezing them. To season the chicken, I'm going to transfer them into a bowl and then I'm going to season like the chicken owes me money. Just season with ginger powder, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, curry, turmeric powder. This is actually optional, and then salt. You can also season as you like use any season and spices of your choice, just as you like. So mix them all together thoroughly to combine. Then you're going to marinate for at least 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Next, I'm going to prepare my slurry. This is what is going to thicken the sauce. Just do 2 tablespoons of corn flour. You can also use all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix together and then set aside. Into a pan, add some vegetable oil. Then add the seasoned chicken into the oil and cook on low heat just until they are golden brown. You don't want to overcook this. Look at how juicy this is, guys. Into another pan, I'm going to go in with some vegetable oil and saute onions and garlic in it for a minute. This step is not compulsory, but it is very necessary to build flavors because when you release flavors, you will like the result. Add in the bell peppers and saute lightly. So this is why I said that this step is not compulsory. You can literally just add the whole of these veggies into the chicken broth like that, and without going through this process. But over time, I tried this one and I liked it better. That's why I've been doing my curry sauce this way, and trust me, this one is actually more delicious than just pouring the veggies into the chicken broth. If that is what you want to do, you can do that, but trust me, this one bangs a lot. Then lastly, adding the carrots. You're going to season this with curry, thyme and salt, then set aside. So back to our chicken. We're going to add in some water and then you're going to add some curry powder and turmeric. That's if you're using turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is optional. Add thyme, add chicken bouillon, and chili flakes if you like it. You can also use fresh scotch bonnet. Then stir and allow to simmer for like a minute before going in with the sauteed veggies. You're going to add the sauteed veggies into the chicken and broth, and then you're going to mix it all together thoroughly to combine. Allow to simmer on low heat for 1 minute before going in with the slurry. Give this a good mix until the sauce thickens. You can keep making more slurry and adding to the sauce just until you get to your desired consistency. If it's too thick, you can add in more water. And that's just how you make chicken curry sauce. So very, very easy, very simple, and very delicious. I serve mine with some rice, and here's how I cook my basmati rice. Just make sure you rinse your rice very well. Then pour into boiling water, add some salt, and drizzle a little bit of oil. Then cover and allow to cook just until the rice is soft. Don't add too much water to your basmati rice while cooking, so that you don't end up with mushy rice. And there you have it, chicken curry sauce that's rich, bold, and deeply satisfying. Every spoonful of this is a reminder that homemade food can be simple, beautiful, and full of flavor. If this recipe made you hungry, imagine how good it will taste when you make it yourself. So go on, try it, and don't forget to share it with someone you love. If you enjoyed cooking with me today, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment. I'd love to hear what you're cooking next. Thanks for watching today's video, and until next time, stay inspired, stay confident, and keep cooking the food that speaks for itself. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Please subscribe if you are yet to help me grow my channel. Thank you. Bye.